The dialogue between Krishna and Uddhava, known as the Uddhava Gita, is a significant episode found in the Bhagavad Puran, a sacred Hindu scripture. It occurs towards the end of Krishna's earthly incarnation, shortly before his departure from the world. This dialogue is filled with profound philosophical teachings and spiritual insights imparted by Krishna to his dear friend and devotee, Uddhava. The context of this dialogue is set in the city of Dwarka, where Krishna resided with his family and devotees. The Yadav dynasty, to which Krishna belonged, was flourishing under his leadership. However, it is foreseen that the Yadavs would eventually face destruction due to internal strife and conflicts. Feeling the impending end of his earthly journey, Krishna decides to depart from the mortal realm and return to his divine abode. Before doing so, he chooses to impart his final teachings to Uddhava, who is known for his wisdom and devotion. In the serene ambience of nature, Krishna and his devoted disciple, Uddhava, engage in a dialogue that delves deep into the essence of spirituality. Krishna begins by elucidating the significance of detachment and renunciation, emphasizing that true liberation arises from transcending worldly desires and attachments. This path, known as Karma Yoga, entails performing one's duties selflessly, without attachment to the fruits of actions. Through Karma Yoga, individuals can cultivate a sense of detachment while engaging in the world, thus attaining inner peace and spiritual growth. Transitioning to the next aspect of their discourse, Krishna expounds on the path of knowledge, or Jnana Yoga. Here, he reveals the illusory nature of the material world, Maya, and contrasts it with the eternal essence of the soul, Atma. Through the pursuit of knowledge and self-inquiry, practitioners of Jnana Yoga seek to realize their true nature beyond the transient realm of Maya. By discerning the impermanent from the permanent, individuals attain spiritual wisdom and liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Finally, Krishna elaborates on the path of devotion, known as Bhakti Yoga, which emphasizes unwavering love and surrender to the divine. Through devotional practices such as prayer, worship, and chanting, practitioners cultivate a deep connection with the divine and experience a profound sense of union. Krishna emphasizes that Bhakti Yoga. Thus, in their dialogue, Krishna